Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions and save your wallet from heartache. Today, we've got a steam mop showdown that's hotter than a sauna in July. In the left corner, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop, the mop that's so good at cleaning, it could probably moonlight as a personal trainer. And in the right corner, we have the Neugo Steam Mop, the mop that promises to steam away your troubles faster than your last Tinder date. So let's dive into this mop-off and see which one will reign supreme. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Bissell PowerFresh comes in at a whopping $144. That's right, folks, with the price of one Bissell, you could almost buy a full tank of gas or a fancy dinner. Meanwhile, the Neugo is a budget-friendly $109. That's like finding a dollar bill in your couch cushions when you thought you were broke. Reviewers appreciate the Neugo for its reasonable price and effectiveness in cleaning, while the Bissell is favored for its versatility and extra attachments, which some found worth the investment. Next, let's get steamy. The Bissell PowerFresh boasts a mighty 1,500 watts of cleaning power, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It's like having a tiny army of steam warriors attacking the dirt on your floors. Meanwhile, the Neugo produces steam at a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than my grandma's secret chili recipe. Reviewers have noted that the Neugo effectively cleans grout and stubborn stains, making it a solid choice for pet owners, while the Bissell excels in deep cleaning and drying floors quickly without leaving a chemical smell. Now, let's talk versatility. The Bissell PowerFresh isn't just a mop, it's a two-in-one steam mop that lifts off for those hard-to-reach pet messes. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but for cleaning. With 13 tools included, it's practically a cleaning toolkit disguised as a mop. Reviewers have highlighted this versatility, especially for deep cleaning grout and using extra attachments. On the flip side, the Neugo also knows how to switch it up with adjustable steam modes, making it suitable for different floor types and cleaning tasks. Users have praised its ability to handle tough stains and scuff marks effectively. Let's not forget about ease of use. The Bissell comes with a 25-foot power cord, which is perfect for those who like to do some serious mopping without the constant unplugging dance. But wait, Neugo's got a 23-foot cord with an adjustable height feature. That's right, folks, you can mop without bending down. Reviewers of both mops have mentioned that they are easy to assemble and maneuver, with the Neugo being particularly noted for its lightweight design and quick heating capabilities, making it a favorite for daily use. Finally, let's talk about those extra features. The Bissell comes with odor-eliminating fragrance discs. Who knew cleaning could smell like a spa day? And with its 13 tools, you'll feel like a cleaning ninja. Meanwhile, the Neugo's removable 15.2 ounces water tank means you can clean more floors without stopping for a refill. Reviewers appreciate the Neugo for its efficient cleaning and quick drying time, while the Bissell's additional tools and fragrance options are seen as a bonus for a more complete cleaning experience. Overall, both steam mops have garnered positive reviews from users, but they cater to slightly different needs. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is praised for its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, making it ideal for deep cleaning and pet messes. On the other hand, the Neugo Steam Mop is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness in maintaining clean floors, especially for pet owners. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a powerhouse with versatility and extra cleaning tools, go for the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop. But if you want a budget-friendly option that's still super effective and easy to use, the Neugo Steam Mop is your best bet. Remember, folks, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Neugo, the important thing is to clean smart and keep those floors shining. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more epic comparisons, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick. Until next time, keep mopping and shopping smart.